Naomi Home presents the Vera Makeup Deluxe Vanity Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This vanity comes as shown with a total of 7 drawers for storing all your makeup and skincare essentials. We will begin with the cabinet assembly. To get started, get all 14 drawer sliders and disconnect the inner part from the outer part. Do so by lifting the hilt and sliding the piece out of place. Place 3 outer drawer sliders onto part number 9. Use 2 F-screws on each outer drawer slider to attach it in place. Do the same for part number 10, 11, and 12. Now attach 6 cam bolts onto each part number 9, 10, 11, and 12. Make sure you got 6 cam bolts on each before proceeding to the next step. Connect 2 parts number 15 and 1 part number 16 onto part number 9. Use 6 cam locks to secure each part in place. Now attach part number 10. Use 6 cam locks to secure each part in place. Next up, connect 2 parts number 15 and 1 part number 16 onto part number 11. Use 6 cam locks to secure each part in place. Now attach part number 12. Use 6 cam locks to secure each part in place. Use 2 F-screws to attach an outer drawer slider onto part number 10. Now insert 2 cam bolts onto part number 10. Similarly, insert 2 cam bolts onto part number 11. Use 2 F-screws to attach an outer drawer slider onto part number 11. Connect part number 17 in between parts number 10 and 11. Use 4 cam locks to secure the parts in place. Slide part number 13 in between the grooves of part number 9 and 10. Slide part number 14 in between the grooves of part number 11 and 12. Break time. Return to this part of the video when you are ready to proceed. Now we will work on the upper part assembly. Attach 10 cam bolts into part number 8. Insert 2 wood dowel pins into part number 9, 10, 17, 11, and 12. Make sure you got 2 wood dowels pins on each part before proceeding to the next step. Place part number 8 on top of parts number 9, 10, 11, 12, and 17. Use 10 cam locks to secure all the parts in place. Place 4 wood dowel pins and 4 cam lock into part number 1. Connect part number 2 and 3 onto part number 1. Use 4 cam locks to attach all the parts in place. Insert 6 wood dowels and 4 cam bolts into part number 8. Connect part number 1, 2, and 3 onto parts number 8 by using 6 cam locks. Break time. Return to this part of the video when you are ready to proceed. We will start with the light and cable setup. Insert 11 lights and 11 T-pieces onto part number 1. Peel one side of the U-tape and add your U-tape to the back of your S-piece. Peel the other side of the U-tape and attach the S-piece on the center of part number 1. Connect all the light cables into the S-piece as shown. Insert 2 cam bolts into part number 8. Attach part number 5 onto part number 8 by using 2 cam locks. Pass the R cable through the pre-made hole in part number 7. Connect the R cable. Then slide part number 7 through the grooves of parts number 3 and 5. Slide part number 6 through the grooves of parts number 2 and 5. Connect 3 cam bolts onto part number 1. Insert part number 4 into those 3 cam bolts and lock part number 4 in place by using 3 cam locks. Use 4 G-screws to attach part number 4 into part number 2 and 3. Pass the O-piece through the pre-made holes in part number 12 and 14. Use 2 E-screws to connect the O-piece onto part number 12. Then use 2 more E-screws to attach the piece onto part number 12. Break time. Return to this part of the video when you are ready to proceed. Up next, we will secure the build. Insert 2 V-pieces onto part number 4 by using 2 E-screws for each V-piece. Now, place 6 H-pieces onto parts number 6, 7, 13, and 14. Use 1 E-screw on each H-piece to connect the parts. Make sure each part has 6 H-pieces. Break time. Return to this part of the video when you are ready to proceed. Let's commence the small drawers assembly. Up next, we will begin with the drawer assembly. Start by using 2 G-screws to connect part number 19 onto part number 21. Then use 2 more G-screws to connect part number 20 onto part number 21. Now slide part number 22 in between the grooves of parts number 19 and 20. Pause here and repeat this steps 5 more times. Install 4 cam bolts onto part number 18. Use a J-screw to connect the drawer door handle onto part number 18. Place part number 18 into part number 19 and 20. Use 4 cam locks to lock the parts in place. Pause here and repeat this steps 5 more times. Make sure you have a total of 6 drawers before proceeding. We shall assemble the large drawer. Use 2 G-screws to connect part number 24 onto part number 26. Then use 2 more G-screws to connect part number 25 onto part number 26. Use 2 more G-screws to connect part number 27 onto part number 26. Now slide part number 28 in between the grooves of parts number 24 and 25. Install 6 cam bolts onto part number 23. Place part number 23 into part number 24, 27, and 25. Use 6 cam locks to lock the parts in place. Use a J-screw to connect the drawer door handle onto part number 23. Next, install 2 inner drawer slides onto each drawer. Use 4 F-screws to secure the parts in place. Break time. Return to this part of the video when you are ready to proceed. Now we will build the stool and make any finishing touches. Use 4 D-screws to attach 2 parts number 30 onto 1 part number 29. Then use 4 more D-screws to attach a second part number 29 onto the 2 parts number 30. Put part number 31 in between your parts 29 and 30. Place 2 L-piece onto the side of each part number 30. Use 2 K-screws on each L-piece to attach the pieces in place. Place 1 L-piece onto the side of each part number 29. Use 2 K-screws on each L-piece to attach the pieces in place. Slide the metal piece from your outer drawer slider to the front and insert your drawers. Don't forget to peel the transparent mirror protector. After completing the assembly, plug in the O-piece onto the wall and connect the R cable into one of the USB adapters on the O-piece. Now you can turn on the lights and pick from 3 color modes: warm white, neutral white, and daylight white. And there you have it. Your Vera Makeup Deluxe Vanity is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.